So I was talking to a buddy of mine the other day. We're both coders, and I found some symbols inside of his code. And so I asked him, hey, what are these weird symbols? And he told me, oh, you mean this regex? And I said, regex? And he was like, yeah, regular expressions. And I said, that kind of rings a bell, but I don't really understand what it means. I never really took the time to understand it. And he said, I was like you once. I didn't understand it. But then I found this site called foundtext.netlify.com. It changed my life. It doesn't use any of those complex regex symbols, but it keeps it simple. No need to type. You just drag and you drop it and you understand regex. Regex uses these weird symbols to tell the code what characters it needs to find inside of a string. Now that definition might sound a little confusing, so let me just show you. Inside of this sidebar, we got different little slots. Now we got this one slot that says /W, that's the symbol, and the definition says it selects a word character. Now that might not make sense, so we can just drag it right here, and this text highlights in real time the word characters. And they're just letters, that's all it is. Word characters are letters. But what if we didn't want letters? What if we wanted numbers? Get that W out of here. What are numbers? Numbers are just digits, right? The /D selects digits. So let's grab this /D and let's slide it in there. Nothing gets highlighted because we don't have any numbers inside of the text. Go down to the text, add your numbers, and then they get highlighted, just like that. And you can go through the rest of the website. You can just drag things here, drag things there, just test the different symbols in different orders, just so that you can learn how the beginning of regex works. If you find a string that you really like, you can even grab it from right here. You can just copy that string and put it in any different code that you really need. Foundtext.netlify.com. No extravagant regex symbols, no need to type. You can if you want, but you don't have to. Just drag, drop, and you learn it. And I learned from my friend that day, this is the best way that you can learn regex. Foundtext.netlify.com.